Hello friends, today I'll show how to WordPress website password change from cPanel. I'll try to show you two methods. So first of all, make sure to log in the cPanel, and after login the cPanel, then you will see this type of interface. So scroll down and need to find out the softcolors apps installer. This is the softcolors apps, and you need to click on the WordPress. Okay, then click the install the overview. If you scroll down, there are two WordPress website here. So if you want to manage this website or edit details, then you can click the edit details, then show something here. Then if you want to change the password, admin password, then you can add the password as you want. Alright, then you can just save install details, then your new password will be set here from here. So let's start another method. This is our database name. Alright, now we are back to the cPanel and need to find out the PHP management. This is the PHP management. Okay, now we need to check our database name. Database name, this one, initials WP518. Alright, this is our database name, and click on the user table. This is our username and this is the password, but it is the already encrypted password, that's why you can't see the details. If you want to change the password, then you can click this arrow, user pass, and need to find the MD5. Then you can put your password, then save. Then your password will be set, then you can use this new password. This is the two method, you can use as you want, and you can feel which one for good for you. So thank you for the watching. Bye bye.